Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tumblr application not working problem. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you to get up into this site, but don't worry about it. I'm here to help you out to get and reach the point and simply just fix this problem. What I'm gonna do, firstly you need to get up from your application, then you need to go on to your settings on your phone. You need to scroll down and go for applications, and then on all these selections you need to choose the second one, which is manage applications, and on the search box you need to type for Tumblr. When you get up into your Tumblr applicational info, you need to scroll right down and go for clear data. Go for clear data. Firstly, get up on the first selection, clear all data, go OK. Then as you have the chance, go clear the cake on that side. And when you get up with these two sections, you need to get up from this side. You need to go into your Play Store. Here you need to type for Tumblr, and you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Tumblr. If you don't have it, here you're gonna be able to update it, the version, with simply typing on your right side, in which, as you can see here, it doesn't show me up because I have the latest version. And if you have it, simply you need to go uninstall the application to make sure that everything go through that side. And when you uninstall the application, you need to reinstall it back, and it will shows up the right thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.